we've got D flat major, C major, F minor, E flat major, A flat, or E flat minor, sorry, A flat major, and then back to D flat, C, F minor. That's the chord progression as it stands. Now when we're singing, we have to kind of be really intentional about the timing of the chords. I remember for a long time I would spend, you know, a lot of my energy trying to figure out like where the chord hit in the vocal. So we're thinking, just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. So, you know, it's a good habit to, you know, tap your foot or have a metronome going. Even as singer players, you know, it's really good to have a metronome if you're not playing like with a band, right? So have that metronome going. You've got that metronome. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. And really feeling, you know, getting those chords to hit on specific beats so that way you can be very sure about how things line up. So that's the first thing, right? Getting the chords and then getting the timing of those chords in, you know, alignment with the vocal, right?